Igbo kwezu ya. Okay, Bikono, I got to the curtain now. Otega ka ibido. If I may now preamble ka I may create obela awareness. I will the main seminar on this week. It's coming up this week. So I got again, in the venue and everything. So that place, what those you want for every other things. My whatever questions, if any or something, that day of seminar. Because right now, another engagement I went somewhere, people not buy, the people have already they are waiting for us, and I went 1 hour you spend there because of time. So what I will add up on while I hear is that actually question on your webpota man a pan leave bo and a real estate company back up unify Igbo.
Yes, not a fraud.
No,
more of like a
we cannot only have the preach open my identity anyabo. Oh, if it's if I'm Namen TV and that is the unify Igbo so I don't want to good. So I want to put a baby market to be people now not in line up with the vision of Igbo. This is why and for we prove when in line up with vision of Igbo, they start sponsoring some certain Igbo area. Where the Igbo Mili na Benue State. Open Leaf they sponsored it. Fat Dooko they sponsored it. They're part of it. Even Yawa Ebia here they sponsored the trip of Yawa Ebia here. Expenses is sponsored by Panleaf. So, and this is why I Jamal and they know what Igbo are going through. So they very good. Farmer even the Bonaga biga. Or when we keep making a join hands together, can we achieve Igbo. So I'm encourage every one of us I be part of this thing and because no I had to cut Igbo and no gabago. So ebe obu onye ga-esibia ya tinye aka. So cause of force now bo ekenem everybody onye obuna na ebe for your patience and onye nyela space agent over here I'm making it especially Mazidan because all greetings irrespective of na I will go gay time or get in there, but with due respect I may appreciate I can get in there. Then I got a chance as I just believe along the invitation, the venue and the date I get Wednesday the real seminar and different day also. I want to know about that day. Young or waffle before you leave, if any day. I wear Noko. I want a lot of packages. Ejibia. Onye obana ga like kwa able part of it. Ekene mo onye obana.
Thank you. Ekene mo no.
Ngwano I need the money see what them.
Sorry. We have a question.
Okay, we have a question.
Yeah. Okay, like I was saying, regarding the land, everyone in one generosity of food. Like once I bought those days, so we found an about right of oath.
Right of oath?
Yeah, right of occupancy.
Okay, right of occupancy.
So I come and see.
Okay, all you can change it to certificate of occupancy. Now, as I'm here, as company name a general for the if general surveying already 1,000 plus. We survey it where the documents, where the right of occupancy. Now we now begin to partition it. We now begin to sell it plot by plot. You need to say one plot, and you give one plot. You need 10 plots, and you give based on you understand plot this plot that plot as an estate, well designed, well surveyed, well mapped out, drainage, sewage, everything. Now in our documents. Now, when you The documents the company will give you, they will not give you the general C of O, because you now need to have your own personal C of O. What they will help you to facilitate it using the document, the survey plan and the deed of assignment. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you
very much.